Hi guys, today we're going to make Lactobacillus Reuteri yogurt using the new starter culture from Cutting Edge Cultures. L. reuteri is a species of bacteria that cardiologist and author Dr. William Davis has found to have amazing health benefits. L. reuteri is a superstar in the world of intestinal microbes, but the modern life has eradicated the species from 95% of us. Dr. Davis believes restoring L. reuteri into your gastrointestinal tract via food to be one of the most powerful strategies we can implement for our health. Homemade yogurt is the vehicle he uses to accomplish this. Dr. Davis's original method used 10 crushed L. reuteri probiotic tablets as a starter culture. Some found this method created inconsistent results. Thankfully, the cultured food enthusiasts at Cutting Edge Cultures has simplified this method. Their unique LR Superfood starter culture provides a high concentration of Lactobacillus reuteri in a convenient sachet that are much more affordable and saves you the trouble of having to crush the tablets to create the starter. Following Davis's method using a 36-hour fermentation and using prebiotic fiber enables the L. reuteri to proliferate many times over until there are hundreds of billions of live bacteria. The resulting concentration of L. reuteri are much higher than can be obtained from any supplement or pill. Cutting Edge Cultures had their superfood yogurt analysed in a lab with impressive results. LR Superfood starter culture packs at least 10 times the punch of supplements. Today we'll be using approximately 1.5 litres of full cream or whole cream milk. Before we add our starter culture, we're going to heat our milk on the stove top. We're going to keep stirring the milk to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Heating and holding the milk at approximately 82 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes denatures the milk proteins so that they bind and set together, producing a thicker and creamier yogurt. This will help prevent separation of your L. reuteri yogurt. If separation does occur, please don't worry, it's perfectly good to enjoy. Half and half milk as well as UHT milk can also be used if these are available in your area. Both these types of milk can work well without the heating process. Take the milk off the heat and allow it to cool down to approximately 40 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Reuteri are living bacteria and need to eat. The food they like to consume are known as prebiotics. Cutting Edge Cultures have formulated Prebo Plus, a custom blend of 3 different organic probiotic fibers to maximise the growth of the L. reuteri strain. We've allowed our milk to cool down to 40 degrees Celsius and we're now going to add it to our 2-litre glass container ready for our prebiotic fibre and our L. reuteri starter. Also, be sure to sterilise your glass container before adding the milk. Add 3 scoops of prebiotic fibre along with 1 sachet of our L. reuteri yogurt starter. Give it a really good whisk to make sure both the starter and the prebiotic is well incorporated. Now we're ready to put our lid on and place the glass container into our yogurt maker, ready for incubation. Fill the water bath to the tall line indicator and place the cover on. Our temperature setting is 38 degrees Celsius and we're going to incubate this for 36 hours. Once our 36-hour incubation is complete, we're going to place our yogurt into the fridge for 6 to 8 hours to cool and set. Our L. reuteri yogurt has been in the fridge for around 6 hours. It's cooled down nice and firm and ready to enjoy. So let's take a quick look how it turned out. As you can see, it's turned out perfect. It's nice, thick and creamy, and there's no separation. Using the Cutting Edge Culture starter is the easiest way we've found to make L. reuteri yogurt at home. It makes the process super easy and simple. We definitely recommend it. So that's our L. reuteri yogurt. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure you've got lots of questions about L. reuteri yogurt, so please feel free to ask these in the comments section below, or jump on to our blog post. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.